Alright, so what I have here is a very unusual Jauch wall clock. It's badged as benchmark, even though it's literally just a Jauch. I'll pull up a picture of the Jauch version of this clock, and it's a darker color under Jauch. But anyway, this clock has a very unique chime, and you'll see why in a second. As you can see, give me a second. It only plays Ave Maria. Now, it's not the regular Ave Maria, it's Schuberts. So this is a very unusual chime for a wall clock. Usually it's accompanied by Westminster, but not in this case. So we're gonna go through the quarters here. That's the half hour. $45 now for the hour. Now for the 15-minute. So yeah, very unique chime. I didn't think they made these with just that chime on it. Usually on Gazo grandfather clocks, you can see this chime with Westminster, but that's also a weight-driven movement, and this is a spring drive. So very unusual. I got this for 50 bucks, so I think it's a pretty good deal for a working clock like this. But anyway, thanks for watching, and oh, it was made in September of 1979 for those that are curious. But anyway, that's about it, and thanks for watching.